Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about set difference in Python. So set difference refers to the operation of finding the elements that are present in one set but not in another. For example, take a look at this first set. This 1, 2, 3 is not present in this second set, but this 4, 5 is present in that set. Okay, so the set difference will returns a new set that contains the elements from the first set, as we see here 1, 2, 3, that are not present in the second set. So the set difference can be performed using the difference method or using the minus operator, otherwise hyphen symbol. Let's go ahead and do that. Here we have the set 1 and 2. To find the difference using the difference method, we can create the print statement. In the print statement, I can say set 1 and the difference method of it. Inside the parentheses, we have to pass in the second set. So this will take a look at this second set and will output elements that are not present in the second set. So if we run this, we got 1, 2, 3 because those elements are not present in this second set. So if we say set 2 here and set 1, we are getting 8, 6, 7. 8, 6, 7, but this 4, 5 is present in this first set. That's why those are not visible here. Okay, as I told you, there's another way using the minus symbol. In order to do that, firstly we have to say what is the set 1, and we are comparing it with this set 2 now. Again we got 1, 2, 3 because 4, 5 is existing in this set 2. Okay, this is similar to saying set 1 dot difference and passing in set 2. Okay, alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.